Hello my friends, welcome back to another tutorial of my channel. Today we want to make this beautiful and very simple pattern. This is made by only 2 rows and this is the front view. This is the back view of that. I made that with Alize Baby Best yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. You can make this pattern with another yarn and use that for many projects such as blankets or shawls or dresses. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work and make a slip knot first, then make chains in multiple of 2 plus 1. I made 31 chains and now start row 1 from second chain. Skip the first chain and go to the second chain, make 1 single crochet into that. Then go to next chain, make 1 single crochet into that and make 1 single crochet into each of next chains until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 1 and start row 2 with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and turn the work. Yarn over and go to second stitch, not this first but this second stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. And after that yarn over and insert the hook into this space before first stitch. Grab the yarn from the back and pull it to front. I have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all of them. One more time. Yarn over, skip next stitch, go to the next and pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the hook around this stitch just made and grab the yarn from back to front and yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, skip the next stitch, go to the next, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through 2 and make 1 half double crochet around this stitch just made and continue this work. And after each stitch skip next stitch and go to the next and repeat this work until the end of the row. Skip the next, go to the next and make next stitch and 1 half double around that. Continue until the end of the row. Now at the end of row 2 I have 2 stitch left. Skip next and go to last stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now row 2 is finished and I have to start row 3 with a chain and turn the work and repeat row 1. First make 1 single crochet into first stitch of previous row, then go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet into that, 1 single crochet into next and 1 single crochet into each of these stitches of previous row. Continue until the end of the row. The last stitch should be worked into these beginning chains of previous row. And now we have to repeat row 2. Start row 4 with 4 chains and turn the work, yarn over, go to second stitch without skipping here and yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through 2 and then make 1 half double around that. Now skip 1 stitch, go to the next and repeat that work. Skip next stitch, go to the next, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2 and then yarn over and make 1 half double crochet around that. and continue this work until the end of the row. I'm at the end of row 4 and I have 2 stitches left. Skip the first and go to the last stitch and yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through 2, and then we have to repeat these 2 rows, row 3 and row 4 several times until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. I repeated those 2 rows and now my pattern is ready. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.